Memories crowd the corners of my mind. Precious memories of the way we were. Misty waters of the smiles we left behind. Smiles we were to one another the way we were. Could it all have been so gilded then? Or has time rewritten every line?
Historian Dr. TIMUEL Black recalled lines from The Way We Were as he offered his experiences on what made the Rosenwald courts on Michigan Avenue so special when he was growing up nearby during the Great Migration.
The building and its occupants inspired a total community and gave the community a harmony and a feeling of community that all places like this can do, but must be done right here as an example of doing the possible, which seemed like it comes from the impossible.
The building was once home to many famous African Americans, including Gwendolyn Brooks and Nat King Cole. But only a few years ago, it was named as one of the most endangered historic properties in Chicago. That fact made it all the more poignant that the community was in its courtyard to break ground on a long-awaited renovation.
Please keep this building in the community, keep the history alive, and this is tomorrow's new promise.
Rosenwald Courts will contain 239 new units of housing, 120 of which will house CHA seniors, and over 40,000 square feet of retail space that will continue revitalization of the 47th Street commercial corridor in Bronzeville.
All of these investments will ignite a much-needed economic development in our community and encourage a safer neighborhood, improve schools, and increase home ownership. Rosenwald Courts will only strengthen the continued revitalization of Bronzeville.
As a lifelong Southsider, in the late 90s and early 2000s, I lived less than 2 blocks away from this site on 48th in Michigan. I would walk past here every day going to the train, and I would think to myself, when are we going to do something with this great building that we have sitting here? Well, guess what, everybody? Now is the time. So I just want to thank everybody and all the partnership that came together, and on behalf of the mayor, congratulations, and we look forward to seeing this building up and running.